All right, the drink we're about to make is called Captain Pepper. Pretty simple drink here. We're just going to do our ice in a glass and measure out 1 shot of Captain Morgan, hence the Captain and Captain Pepper. There we go. And we're going to fill it the rest of the way with good old Dr. Pepper. So we've got our Captain and we've got our pepper. We're not going to use actual pepper for this. It's Dr. Pepper. And we want to make sure we mix it up real well. So if you're a big Captain and Coke fan, it's usually what you order at the bar or what you sip at home. You might want to try out the Captain Pepper just for a little bit of something different. Still got your cola. It's obviously going to have a different flavor, but definitely spice it up a little bit and break away from the monotony of your Captain and Cokes all the time. Let's get our glass and give it a pour. And there we go. Straw and bottoms up.